sorry.
Hello.
Hello, we were nearly caught out there. So here we are, and behind us is the Mohiki Viaduct.
Built in 1886 to 1902.
And 275 metres long.
And
75 metres high.
72, I think.
Right, we're going to go and check that in a minute. And onto our left, as we just start to move over, you may see a rather tall Maori
Carving.
Right. Okay, so we should actually go
Take
over.
a photo. No, we'll take a photo of that actually and put
Okay.
it in. Yeah, put it up.
So here we are, beautiful day, as you can see, the sky's shining, we're happy, and yeah, it's a good day today, day 3.
Wonderful day today.
Great day.
Fantastic.
As you can see, it is actually 72 metres high.
So I was right.
Yeah, and 225 metres long, so I was wrong. So what have we got over here, Jason?
Whoa. Oh, that's scary.
At the top there, Jason will tell you what that is.
It's a lizard type creature with wings.
Right, okay. And there's a viaduct just up there. Right, back to the motorcycling. Well, as you can see, the snow is up on the mountains just there in front of us. And it's a glorious day. I've just switched on my heated seats, Jason.
Seriously?
Yes, just to keep the blood circulating through the buttocks.
Well, here we are. We're coming into Taupo. Well, here we are. We're coming into Taihape, which is the capital of Gumboot.
Boat?
Sorry. Taihape is the Gumboot throwing capital of New Zealand.
Can I bring my stilettos?
No.
Okay.
So there's a competition here every year. Is how far you can throw your gumboot.
Right.
Taihape.
So what we're going to do is just put a little bit of petrol in and get a cold drink. And then we're going to be hitting the tracks pretty soon. So I think we'll go to BP, eh? Don't like Gull.
Trying to find the gumboot.
I'm turning right here. Oh. It's a big petrol station, Jason. There's lots of pumps spare. Towards the back there. Nice. Yeah, we're having a look for the gumboot. You'd think it would be on the main drag, wouldn't you? I think we're heading out of town here. I thought it was by the railway station. There's the Gumboot. Napier, 161 kilometres away. Grit. Lots of grit. Let's just put this down, mate. Rocks. It's already started, Jason. Shit on the road.
hi guys, we're in the middle of, where are we exactly, Jason?
The Napier Tyre Happy Road.
The Napier Tyre Happy Road, that's where we are. As you can see behind us is a great view of the mountain range we've just come across, and we're in the middle of sort of a road that disappears around the corner there. And anything else to say really? Or?
There's a lot of sheep.
Yeah, there has been a lot of sheep. We've just taken some photographs of some sheep, a lot of lamb and things like that. But it's nice. The air's crisp, isn't it? Yeah, really.
Beautiful out here.
It's great for the lungs, isn't it?
It is great for the lungs.
Yes, yeah, exactly. Right. Is that it?
That's, well, we can hit.
Well, as you can... Oh! I walked into the bloody patio. Well, as you can see, folks, we've got a few cows sort of moving over. They seem to be going on a world of their own. While Jason here is going to be changing camera batteries, yeah? Well, this is interesting with this tussock around here, Jace.
I'm still getting over my sore foot.
What happened?
You picked the stone up and hit the toe. Jesus.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. These tyres, they get rid of anything that doesn't want to be there, it just flicks them away. The sole held by itself over there and all that green. Uh-oh, we've got more cow manure on the road. We're going to go nice and slow over the bridge. Slipped on the gravel. Oh. Obviously struggling here. Oh, hello. Oh, I'm going uphill. Oh, that's so much better. Thank you. Thank you. That'll be fine. So, in fact, I'll carry on. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back again. Well, this is sort of the final little video we'll be making on this trip, apart from the ride back, basically, Jason.
Is this the goodbye stop?
This is the goodbye stop. This is where it's all saying
no.
goodbye. We've had a hell of a good time.
It's unbelievable.
Lots of great memories. And here we are actually stuck in a valley, so we can just carefully walk around and follow you guys so you can see sort of the backdrop of where we are and what it's like. It's like a very peaceful valley, isn't it, Jason?
Very peaceful.
Yeah, it's fact.
Drop stuff.
Not many cars here, or bit of wind, but look at the sky there. I mean, it's really good, and it's been a great day. What's your best part of today, Jace?
Best part. He keeps swinging the camera around.
I hadn't finished my 360.
Oh, sorry.
I was getting the 360, and I got to that point, and I was going to come back to where we started from.
Well, I was taking too long.
That's right. Well, what's the best part of the day?
Best part of the day. Oh, that's a hard one. Actually, I loved the viaduct, but I think the best part of the day was leaving Wanganui, heading to Martin. That was a lovely run.
Yeah, it was.
But
a
I
great
hope
run.
you really enjoy this tour. There's been hail, rain, gale force winds, dirt tracks.
Hate.
We've had it all.
Yeah.
There's lots of funny bits in it, so I hope you really do. Hope you really did enjoy it.
He hopes you enjoy it, and I'm glad I was here.
See you next time.
Bye now.
Bye.